Alright guys, welcome back to Fixing It. We're going to change the spark plugs on our, what year is this car?
2010.
2010 Genesis RS Turbo. They're right under here. We got to take this cover off first. That's the first thing we're going to do. These are the spark plugs. NG case. What number are these? The one step colder?
Yes.
One step colder. Okay. So we're gonna take this cover off. It's only two bolts over here. Take them off with a 10mm. And then you got these other caps. That's it. So you need to get to. I don't know. Some people take this off to disconnect disconnect the negative side. Just to be safe. Another 10 though. This is convenient using the same 10mm socket. So this doesn't look long enough, so I'm gonna try to undo this because once this doesn't matter. You don't even have to take it off. So the spark plugs are right in there. Little debris. Should get another extension for this. All right.
You're beat up as hell.
Yeah, I'm beat up. All right. So this one you can get off, but this one you can't. So you gotta unplug it. So the way you unplug it, pull this tab up like that, and then you press in the middle and pull. That's it. Now this thing comes right out. Take another plug off. So I have a bigger extension than this, but alright guys, we're gonna put these. When you do this, it's a good idea to put some tape on your socket and extension so you don't lose it in there. So I like putting these in by hand first. You don't want to cross thread these things.
What do we gap them at?
We gap them at 30 until you figure out, you know, like a good gap. Call the tuner and find out. Alright, this thing goes back on. that's all that's to it. We're just gonna do the same thing for each one of these. And that's how easy to change the spark plugs on these things. It's right on top. My Mustang, not so easy. Some of them are a little hard to get to. But it's a nice little inline 4. Spark plugs are right on top. So I wish they were all this easy. Alright. And we just gotta put this cover back on.
Pretty much it, right?
That's it, pretty much it. Alright, so we connected the battery back up. He's just gonna start it up. Go ahead. So that's it, guys. That's how you change the spark plugs on one of these Genesis. Hope this helps you out. Like and subscribe. Take care, guys. Bye.